Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And today's actually Sunday, but you're seeing it, recording it on Sunday, but you're seeing it on Monday. And joining me today for his last appearance is Trent. Yeah, I got his name right this time. Poor baby. He's been so mixed up as to what his name is. But here's Rick. What do you have to say, Rick? Rick's happy to see him go. And Rick and I are here to help Trent pack up his trunk because he'll be picked up tomorrow and flown to see Casey, who does the Casey has opinions and bad video skills or whatever. I'll put her link down below, but make sure you keep an eye on her channel because I'm sure she's going to be introducing him to her society. So in the meantime, Trent is going to help me do my mask. So let's get started. Trent, do you want to sit over here or do you want to go back here? Want to go back here? Okay. He wants to sit there so he can get a good overview. So let's see. Today I'm using this Freeman Feeling Beautiful Hydrating Mask. And somebody sent this to me. And it's the usual, gently unfold the sheet mask, apply to clean face, adjust around eyes, nose, mouth, smooth it, and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do is put this on, and then while it's sitting, we'll start packing his trunk. I call it a trunk because it's not a suitcase. But remember in the days when people sailed on ships, they always had these big trunks they packed. Well, that's what I think Trent's case is. Oh, it's drippy wet. Let's get the towel out because it's dripping. Okay, gotta take these off, but got my mirror over here. It's a nice day out. Oh, I can't unfold it though without the glass. It's a nice day out today though. The sun was out yesterday and it's out today. So, Bob got the yard all sprayed with stuff he makes, from Dawn detergent and vinegar and stuff to kill the weeds on the two sides of the house. Oh, sorry, I didn't mention Lucy. She's stomping out of the room. She's here too. Anyway, he had to spray the weeds on our brick pavers in the backyard and all that stuff. And I spent the morning in the closet, going through all my t-shirts in there, cleaning the closet out and getting a big bag ready to go to my one place that might sell some of them. And what they don't sell, then I'll take to my second season, but they're all in like new condition. So, let's see. That goes that way. Here we go, because I'm hot. So I really feel it. Oh. Smells good. Oh. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Ripped there, so. I'm probably going to, let's see, I should have my roller thing here now that I'm back in the house. Where is it? Where are you, baby? Here it is. I'm going to also put on my little silicone mask because I'm going to be doing stuff. Now I don't want to be constantly bothering with this mask. Okay, don't go in my eyes. What's that you're saying? Oh, don't be afraid of this mask. You've seen enough women do it. He doesn't like it. Okay, let's clean that off. Put my silicone on. Oh, God, he just screamed back there. He thinks I'm Jason from the Halloween movies. Whoops, sorry, I didn't mean to rock you guys there. Let's see, we're gonna put that, put this there. Okay, well, glass has got to come back on. One thing I forgot to add to Rick's video that he did during the week was when Bob caught Lucy kissing Trent. Did I say Rick? I meant Trent. Let's see. Here is Trent's trunk. Now I gotta remember how everything was packed in here. Or his sweater, all of his stuff. He's got so much stuff. Where's the thing that we gave him? This has to be sitting among all this junk somewhere. Maybe I already put it in here. No. Where, oh, where? Oh, well, I'll get to it. So let's get everything out and start over. Need to fill in his passport. Okay, I'm gonna put his postcards in the bottom. That's it before there. Most of his things are so little that they're going to go into his little carry-on. So, put his seashell, all his different things represent different areas that he's been to. And he's very proud of his traveling, too. I've got some, it's an Easter hair thing to put in. Here's his Mexico money. Let's try to keep the stickers together. His little book, his little journal. Let's see, okay. Then his stickers. And I'm going to add some stickers. So, of course, the stickers will be sloth. So, let's see. Let's put the mattress and his pillow in first. Then we'll put, let's see, that pillow. I'll put that on top of it. And those pillows there. His towel. His Legos, his warm sweater. Now where the heck is his, here's his hat. Oh, for Pete's sakes. Thought I'd been putting everything on here. I can't remember if he was in the box. Stickers, I'll fill this out separately. I don't think he was in the box. So, what Grandpa Bob and I did for Trent is we bought him a pickup truck. He's a guy, right? And we thought that if he ever goes to the ocean again, he can go riding out on the sand. You know? What the heck? So, well, we're going to put in, let's see, what one did he had the Easter egg in his hair. And we'll send along his little Easter basket. So those go in there with him to show that he had Easter. No, this must have been what he was wrapped in. You know, it's been a couple of weeks since I unwrapped him, but where is his pickup truck? It's so little. I'm going to put one of his suckers in that he had gotten for Easter. Okay, well, Grandma, what you'll do with it? I'll find it before he checks in on the front porch to be picked up. So otherwise, it was just a total joy to have Rick. And of course, you know, we went over to the ocean during the week, and everybody we were with just totally accepted him into the fold, which I knew they would. So I'm going to put you guys on hold for a minute and go look for that pickup truck. Well, this is percolating on my face, so I'll be right back. Well, that's sure a mystery. I cannot find his pickup truck anywhere. And he spent a lot of time picking it out, trust me. Anyway, it was a nice avocado green, Hot Wheels. So this place is such a mess. If I run across it, whoever has Rick at the time, I'm going to have to quick ship it off. So anyway, let's get this thing off my face. There we go. I keep forgetting it's wrapped around my ears. Okay, that's going to go up and get washed. Whew. Well, it was, as comfortable as those things can be. It's pretty wet. Let's see, put it down my... Neighbors have been taking advantage of the sun today, and there's another neighbor out there working on their yard. Was she mixing cement or something? I don't know. And then Jerry across the street, he mowed their yard today. Excuse me. So, my cough is back because I stopped using my inhaler a few days because the doctor said, well, if you're still out of breath, then it's not working. Yeah, but I'm out of breath, but if I don't use it, then I get that tickly, wheezy cough. So I know better than the doctor does. So anyway, tomorrow being Tuesday to you guys, got to go back into Silverdale to go to the cardiologist. Yeah, everybody's got to get a piece of the pie as far as I'm and then of course I've got to go get some other chest test done, asthma type thing. And she says, now they may want you to do that breathing test again before you go. I thought, another piece. It's like, geez. Why can't you just figure out why I'm out of breath? It's because Bob oh my God, he takes my breath away. So let's get Trent back up here. Well, Trent, it's been so fun having Trent around. Goodbye, baby. And what do you have to say, Rick? And I'll stick on the little picture of Lucy giving Trent a kiss when she first noticed him. He watched another movie with us Friday, but he didn't like it. Neither did we. So, from Trent and I, we hope you're all having a good day and that you're going to have a good week. And he says, I'm coming to see you, Aunt Casey. So I hope you've all enjoyed all my crazy antics with Trent. But he's been just a pleasure. And he's welcome back anytime, especially if we're going to go on a trip. So please comment below, share, like, subscribe. And like I said, hope you all have a terrific week. Love you all. Bye.